up, guys? How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having an amazing day. And if you haven't already, let's give the Lord some praise for allowing us to see another day. So, if you're new here, welcome. And if you're a true soldier of the family, welcome back. I want to share a My Little Pony concept with y'all. I already have put it together. So, let's jump right on in so I can tell you what is in My Little Pony basket. So we're going to start from the top up here. This is a My Little Pony poster, color your own poster set. Next we got a little toy that lights up right there. My Little Pony. We got the My Little Pony horse down there, along with some more little horses that I picked up from Dollar Tree. We got some snacks. We got the Airhead snow cone. We got some jelly beans. We got cotton candy, puzzle, the little jar thing that I made out of those little snow globes we got for Christmas. I put some candy, some lip gloss, and stuff in there. Those little push pops. All of that in one of those. I also got some Skittles, some more assorted candy just dropped down all through there. We got some Mott's, we got some Fun Dip, we got some Twizzlers, we got some Rice Krispie treats, some more suckers, and some Cheetos, some Teddy Grahams. Just a lot of goodies down in there for the little kid, the one that want the My Little Pony set. But that's all I got in there. Can I ask you to do a favor? If you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting on? Would you do me a favor, please? And thank you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you know every time that I do an upload. Hit the notification bell. When it drops down, make sure it says all. Give me a thumbs up so my video can get out there to others. I really appreciate you. And so that it can get in the algorithm and other people can watch me. But that's not the most important thing. The most important thing is to drop down in the comment section, the panty section, and leave me a comment. Leave me a comment, a heart, a thumbs up, a wave. Just tell me how the weather is in your town. Tell me what your plans are for the day. Just any little thing to let me know that you've been here so I could come back to your channel and show you that same kind of love that you just showed me. And that's the only way that I'm going to be able to know that you're here. I love supporting people that support me because that's what it's all about, is support. If somebody come to your channel, guys, go back to their channel and do the same because that's what it's about, as I just stated. And without the supporters, you wouldn't even have a reason to come on here. So, if your supporters have a channel and they support you, you go back to their channel and support them. It's a two-way street, not just a one-way. But anyway, I'm finna get up out of here. But before I do, I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be. When you see this video, I hope you have a blessed one. And I'm working on a new saying because God gave me that saying back in 2008. And yeah, it need to be freshened up. I see it's a catchy phrase, but it need to be freshened up. So I'm working on a new phrase, praying, letting the Lord give me another little saying. It was at a tough time when I was going through a journey, and He gave me that saying. So I understand it. But it's time for me to get a new one. Yeah. And until my next video, you all be blessed.